It is located on upper abdomen, just behind the stomach and next to the small intestine. It lies at the vertebral level, L1 to L2. It is J-shaped or rotor-shaped organ. It is 6 to 8 inches long and 2 inches wide. Its weight is around 90 grams. Anatomically, pancreas is divided into head, body and tail. Head of the pancreas. It is enlarged, flattened and right in the pancreas. It has three border, superior, right lateral and inferior border. It has two surfaces, anterior surface which is related to transverse colon and posterior surface which is related to inferior phenagama. It has an uncinate process which lies behind the superior mesenteric vessel and in front of the abdominal aorta. Neck of the pancreas. It is slightly constituted part between head and body. It has two surfaces, anterior surface which is related to pylorus of the stomach and posterior surface which is related to caudal veins. Body of the pancreas is triangular on cross section. It has three border, anterior border, superior border and inferior border. And it has three surfaces, anterior surface which is related to stomach, posterior surface which is related to abdominal aorta and inferior surface which is related to duodenal plexus. Tail of the pancreas is related to lumbosrenal ligament. Now duct of pancreas. Pancreas has two ducts, main pancreatic duct of Bursam and accessory pancreatic duct of Santorini. Main pancreatic duct begins with the tails, follows the parenchyma, combines with the common bile duct and opens at major duodenal papilla. Accessory pancreatic duct begins at the lower part of head and opens at minor duodenal papilla. Both ducts carry enzyme for digestion. Blood supply at the pancreas is done by pancreatic branches of splenic artery, which is branch of celiac trunk, superior pancreatic duodenal artery, which is also branch of celiac trunk, and inferior pancreatic duodenal artery, which is branch of superior mesenteric artery. Lymphatic drainage occurs through superior mesenteric vein, splenic vein, and portal vein. Lymphatic drainage occurs through pancreatic duodenal group of lymph node, celiac lymph node, superior mesenteric lymph node and pancreatico-splenic group of lymph node. Pancreas has both nerve supply, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nerve inhibits secretion and parasympathetic nerve stimulates secretion. Histologically, pancreas has two parts, exocrine part and endocrine part. Exocrine part is composed of serous acinar cells which secretes enzyme, and endocrine part is composed of islets of glandular which contain different type of cells like alpha cell secretes glucagon, beta cell secretes insulin, and delta cell secretes somatostatin, F cell secretes pancreatic polypeptide. Now function of the pancreas. Pancreas has two functions, exocrine function and endocrine function. Exocrine function is done by enzyme while endocrine function is done by its hormone. Enzymatic function include digestion of carbohydrate which is done by enzyme pancreatic amylase, digestion of protein which is done by trypsin, chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase, digestion of fat which is done by enzyme pancreatic lipase, cholesterol esterase and phospholipase. Endocrine function is done by different type of hormone like insulin. It is also known as hypoglycemic hormone. It decreases the blood glucose level, it promotes protein synthesis, it promotes the fat synthesis and its storage. Glucagon is also known as hyperglycemic hormone. It increases the blood glucose level. Somatostatins, it inhibits insulin and glucagon synthesis, it decreases GIT motility, secretion absorption, and it also inhibits growth hormone secretion. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend to continue the seminar.